Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Way. This is Vijay Kumar. In this lesson, we will be see another one Apex trigger scenario in Salesforce. The scenario is do not allow create duplicate record of contact if associated account has same phone number in Salesforce. So follow these steps to create new Apex trigger in Salesforce. First, log in or Salesforce developer org. Then open developer console and create Apex trigger file on contact object. Then create trigger handle class. Here we will be checking if contact is created or updated. Then we will be check associated accounts phone. If associated account has same phone, then we do not allow to create or update contact record. Here we will be displaying error message in Salesforce. So friends, before creating a record of contact or updating the record of contact, we will be check the associated accounts phone number. If contact phone number and associated account phone number is same, then we will be display an error message during creating a record of contact. So this is a screenshot of the contact object. This is a phone number of contact. This is a related account. This is a screenshot of the related account. This is a phone number. So as per the scenario, if contact phone number related to account phone number are same, then we do not allow to create or update a record of contact. So this scenario will be achieved through Apex trigger in Salesforce. So friends, now let's get started. So friends, this is my Salesforce credential org. First go to the setup. There is an option developer console. Open developer console in your personal org. I already opened my developer console. Here I created two files, contact trigger handler. So as per the best practice, don't write Apex trigger directly inside the contact trigger. Always use contact trigger handler. Inside the contact trigger handler, we will be write Apex class method. And that method we will be called to the contact trigger. So we will be write a business logic inside the method. So let's get create a method public static void rather use the method duplicate phone helper bracket and curly bracket. Inside the bracket I will be pass list of a contact phone list. Then we will be create a map string HTML equal to new copy bracket. So here I created map of a string. Then I will create set of ID equal to new set of ID. So here I created two instances. First a string type map and second set of ID. After that I will apply for loop contact phone colon. Here I will be pass contact list. So contact list coming from parameter of the method. Then here I will be add account ID to the set of ID. Set of ID dot add. Here I will be pass phone dot account ID. So account ID it is a lookup field between contact and account. Then we will be create a list of contact phone obj list equal to here I will be write SQL query select ID first name last name account ID phone from contact where account ID in column. Here we will be pass setup ID. Setup ID hold account ID of contact. Then I will apply for loop contact on to column on object list. Then here I will be put value to the map. So map I created string and string type. So first string we will be pass the phone number and second I will pass the account ID. strmap dot put. So here will be pass two value. First value will be pass phone and second value will be pass account ID. Phone two dot phone comma phone two dot account ID. After that, I will be apply another one for loop contact con 3 colon. Here we will be pass contact list. Inside the for loop, I will be check a condition if this map not empty and this map dot contains key. Inside the bracket, we will be pass the phone number of contact. So here I am checking if map not empty and this map has contained contact phone number, that is newly created phone number. Then here we will be display error message. Phone 3 dot add error. Do not allow duplicate record if associated account has same phone number. Do not allow duplicate record if associated account has same phone number. So message will be displayed. Do not allow duplicate record if associated account has same phone number. Now save the file. File has been saved successfully. Now go to the contact trigger. Here I will be create trigger event before and after. If trigger is before, else if trigger is after. Inside the before, I will call controller and method. So before creating a record of contact or updating the record of contact, we will be check associate phone number of account. So here I will be write a context variable if trigger is insert, else if trigger is updated. Is updated. So pass the method name. So first we will be pass the controller name dot method name. Controller name dot method name. Method name is duplicate phone helper. Bracket. Inside the bracket, I will pass the parameter as a trigger.new. So if you check the method, here I am passing list of contact. So instead of the list of contact, I will pass trigger.new. record trigger.new return list of current session of record ID always. Now I am copying this controller and helper and call inside the update context variable. So here I created two context variable if trigger is insert and if trigger is update. So here I am checking if record is created, then do not allow to create duplicate record of contact if associated account has same phone number. So if user trying to create a new record of contact or if user trying to update a record of existing record. Now let me save the file. File has been saved successfully. Now let me go to the contact object where we will be create new record of contact and update the existing record of contact. So here this is a account, this is a contact. So first open any of the account. This is a phone number of existing account. Copy the phone number. I will be create new contact with the same phone number. Now go to the contact. Remember I copy the phone number from page W3 wave 9. This is the account. So I will be select this account number to the newly created contact. Go to the contact, create new, write the name of the first name and last name. First name, suppose I am writing the first name, Vijay, page W3 wave 50. And here I am selecting take W3 wave 9. And here I am passing the value phone number same that is copied from the account. Now I am saving the record. Here you can find do not allow duplicate record if associated account has same phone number. That means this record check before create a record. If associated account has same phone number, then do not allow to create duplicate record of contact. If I change the value of the phone, suppose I am changing 0 to 6. After changing the value of phone, now I am saving the record. Then I am able to create a new record of contact. Suppose this is the existing record of contact. Now I am trying to update same record. So now I am deleting the phone number and pasting same phone number that is copy from the account. So this phone number already exists on the account. Now I am updating the contact. Here you can find do not allow duplicate record if associated account has same phone number. So friends, if I creating a new record of contact or updating the existing record of contact, if phone number are same with the associated account phone number, then here I am getting error message. Do not allow duplicate record if associated account has same phone number. So friends, here I achieve this scenario from Apex Trigger. Try to do from your side in your personal org. If you getting anything of issue, please write in comment box. To get more related video of the Salesforce, go to the YouTube, search TechW3 Wave, then click here, go to the videos, and here you will be get so many live demo example of video. Here I created real-time scenario based on working on the office. So here you will be get Salesforce Lightning Aura component, Visual Force page, Salesforce LWC, Lightning Flow Builder, and here so many video you will be get that is working in office in live project. If you subscribe my channel, your project working will be very easy. So friends, like, share and subscribe and support my channel. Thank you so much.